Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vetru Otu and I'm the CEO of V Classic Foods. On this channel, I share videos on cakes, food business. I also share some health tips. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple tiger nut, dates and coconut drink. This drink requires only 4 ingredients: tiger nuts, dates, coconut and water. It's so easy to make. Start by washing your coconut, tiger nuts and dates and soaking them in water for about 20 minutes. This will make them softer and also easier to blend. To explain that further, it helps to enhance libido in married couples. Tiger nuts are very effective for breastfeeding women. They enhance the production of milk. This 3-in-1 combo drink helps to strengthen the body's immune system and fights infection. It also helps to combat constipation and also improve the movement of bowels. Dates are so good for your digestive system. It helps the flow of blood to the brain and develops the muscles and sharpens your vision. This drink helps to keep your heart healthy and also purify the digestive system. Now you know all the benefits of this 3-in-1 combo drink. So start taking it. Try out this recipe and drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be waiting. After soaking your coconut, tiger nuts and dates for 20 minutes, blend them together with some water in your blender. Ensure that it blends properly. Pour the mixture into a sieve and sieve out the milk. Make sure you use clean water. Feel free to blend the chaff more to extract more milk. Voila, your juice is ready. You can serve it at room temperature or serve it cold. If you want to store for a longer period of time, then store in the freezer. Thank you for watching.